రీసెంట్‌గా ఒక వీడియో బాగా వైరల్ అయింది. ఒక ఈవెంట్‌కి వెళ్తున్నారు మీరు మీ డ్యాడీతో. మీ అత్తగారు అనుకుంటా హెయిర్ ఇలా పట్టుకుంటారు. మీ డ్యాడీ చాలా అంటే సిగ్గుపడతారు. ఏం ఏం జరిగింది అక్కడ? కన్వర్జేషన్ ఏమైంది చెప్పగలరా?
జుట్టు పట్టుకున్నారు. And then he said, "Don't touch my hair." So, yeah, he's very, he doesn't like people touching his hair. That's why I constantly try to touch his hair. Because he has nice hair.
యూజువల్లీ నేను ఇందాక మీ స్టైల్ ఇన్స్పిరేషన్ గురించి అడిగా కదా. ఐ సీ అ కొరియన్ టచ్ ఇన్ యువర్ డ్రెస్సింగ్. సో డూ యూ ఫాలో ఎనీ కొరియన్ డ్రామాస్ ఆర్ ఆర్ యూ ఫ్యాన్ ఫర్ ఇట్?
No, I'm not. I really want to, but I'm not. Sadly, I'm not. But I watch a lot of 2000s rom-coms and all.
ఓకే, దెన్ వాట్ అబౌట్ యానిమీ?
I don't watch anime.
నో, నాట్ అట్ ఆల్.
I don't watch anime.
ఏదైనా రీల్ చేయాలనుకుంటే మీరు ఏదైనా తెలుగు సూపర్ హిట్ సాంగ్ చూస్ చేసుకుంటారా? లేకపోతే ఏదైనా మరాఠీ సాంగ్ అని ఏదైనా బాలీవుడ్, హాలీవుడ్ సాంగ్ చూస్ చేస్తారా?
Marathi is my mother tongue and Telugu is my home language.
Few words in Marathi.
Tu kashi hai?
मैं छानू.
Nice Marathi.
Thank you.
How are you looking at this collaboration, Mahesh Babu Foundation and Telugu DMF Federation? You know, last time they have helped memers and many others, and we have seen Mahesh Babu Foundation has been helping, you know, heart patients, literally kids actually. So individually we have seen these charity things, but now you both came for a collaboration together. How are you looking at it? How do you feel about it?
So just like the MB Foundation supports children, the Telugu DMF supports influencers, and I think this is a great way for both to come together.
Thank you for considering creators and, you know, influencers out there, because usually we don't get considered in any of the part. Now recently we are coming into the limelight actually. Thank you for considering that. And you know, me and many people out there would like to thank Mahesh Babu Garu. You know, that foundation, I have seen many articles and I have been following ever since they have started. So lot of hearts are just beating because of this foundation. Thank you so much for that. And behalf of creators and influencers, thank you so much for considering us and giving us this opportunity with you.
Thank you guys so much for spending time with me. It was so much fun.
Thank you.
హాయ్ సీతార అక్క, మీరేం చదువుకున్నారో తెలుసుకోవచ్చా?
నేను 6th క్లాస్ చదువుతున్నా, ఇప్పుడు 7th వెళ్తా. నువ్వు ఏం క్లాస్లో ఉన్నావు?
యూకేజీ.
Mini influencer.
If you wanted to steal one quality from mom, dad and brother, what would it be? Like one quality from each.
From my mom, I'd like to take her fashion sense, because every time I don't know what to wear, she's the first person I go to. And from my dad, I would like to steal his acting skills, because he's a great actor. And for my brother, how he manages to annoy me so much. I would love to do that someday.
So that lot of brothers and sisters over here can relate to it. You are, you know, truly inspiration to many. Not only now, in future, I think we will see you, you know, wherever we go, you'll inspire many girls out there. And thanks for that. Thank you.
Thank you.